All right, I am going to go over in the live preview this section right here. So let's dive right in. So this section and the gallery are both created using the homepage page insert. So each one of these is actually a page that we're pulling from. So let's jump right in and let's start by creating a page. And let's call this page listing details. And you can call it whatever you would like. Now, to make things easier, go ahead and do this toolbar toggle. And this just adds some additional options if you want to adjust heading sizes and etc. So it's just toolbar toggle. Just gives you some more options while you're editing. So what we're going to do is use your shortcodes, and you can add a grid. And you can do 2, 3, 4 columns, whatever you'd like. And I'm going to go ahead and make this a full width just for example's sake. Adjusting this for what we're doing doesn't make a big difference. It just lets me preview it a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and go over these pages and show you kind of how it looks. So what we can do if we want to create a list, for example, we can just create a bulleted list. And that's basically what we're doing in the live preview. Again, we just created a bullet list. And you get the idea. And then we have a sample heading. I think we have like interior details, and we can make that a big heading. Exterior details, make that a big heading. And this is just to kind of show you some ideas on you know, how we did things, and then various others. All right, and we can just update that. We can refresh the page. One thing to note is if it staggers down a little bit, all you have to do is get the end of the column, and then you just bring it up one. See how this short code ends? And then just removes the extra spacing. So you can see how they're all even on the top. So again, if you have that issue, just make sure the short code ends on that text, like you see right there. And that'll remove the extra spacing. So it's pretty easy to create these lists, and you can choose this in 2 columns, 3 columns, 4 columns, or 1 column if you want. But that's just what we use in the live preview. Now, all we want to do now is say pull this page content onto our home page, and that's done with a widget. So we're going to remember, we're going to copy this page title, and we go into our appearance and widgets. We're going to our home page widget, and we're going to select page content. And for the page name, that's what we just copied, which was listing details. And for the title, you can add one if you want. Let's go ahead and save that. You have the same background and image colors as any other section. So this is what we use in the live preview. And if you don't want a title, we skip that in the live preview. Just leave it blank and it will hide. So pretty cool stuff. So let's go and just make another quick example. Listing detail. Let's actually call this one new details. And we're just going to actually add a heading. This is just for example's sake. Then we're going to add list item 1. And let's go ahead and make this a list. List item 2. And so we're going to copy this since we're going to want to pull this onto our home page. So under appearance and widgets, let's go ahead and remove the old one. So let's delete that one, and then we'll drag the new one in. And for the page name, let's do the new details. Let's add a title for this one, save it, and now when you refresh your page, we are pulling in our new details. And that's just sort of an example to show you how this works. And you have control. You can adjust the background color if you want. So we made it dark, and let's change the light text to light. So we use a dark one, and yeah, so you have tons of control over the homepage.